Hey everybody, welcome to my live. So I'm really excited. I just finished doing a live in my Chalk Rewards Club group. And it inspired me to come out and do this project for you guys. A little different. So my Chalk Rewards Club is actually a seller's club. Actually, it's a buyer's club. You earn rewards by purchasing monthly, and then I teach techniques once a month, and so you get to be in a private group learning techniques. So I do special things in there that aren't always out here. So anyway, I just got done doing my monthly live inside that group, and it inspired me to come out and do this project. I'm really excited for it. Hi Nicole, hi Amanda. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play around with some glitter, but I have this color combination that I am just in love with. So we're using a cute little transfer set, and I am going to open up and get started. I also have my big haul that I have yet to open. I wanted to open that live and show everybody what I got, because I have some of the new, I can't open this. I'm trying to open it and talk at the same time and I can't do it. I have some of the new things that I did not have last time I showed you all my new stuff. So, very exciting day today. Let's get all this going and see what I can show you. So we're gonna use this is a canvas board, and I've really been liking these lately. So it's not one of our new boards, it's just a regular canvas, and it's just a white flat canvas, fairly inexpensive. And I have here, this is Wild Berry, and this is our Buttermilk. Two gorgeous colors that look phenomenal together, and I can't wait to share this with you. All right, so let's see. Oh, Amanda, just wait. Hi Melissa. This is truly a very, 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 very pretty. It's going to be very pretty. I'm going to use She Leaves glitter. She leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. Now, I also thought about, you know how we can customize anything because we have our alphabet fonts. So when you do this, Chalk leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. Leave off the word she, and then put your little girl's name, or put your niece's name, or put a name up here who you want to give this to leave a little sparkle. I am not gonna lie, you guys. I'm sipping tonight. This is red wine. I've got my Happy Camper. See my little mug? It's actually my insulated wine tumbler. So it's a stemless wine glass that's insulated just for the summer months. So I'm doing a little sipping. If you are at home and would like to do a little sipping with me, fill your glass, man, fill your glass. Mine is just some beautiful, it's a black and blue red wine. So, so good. I can't even tell you. I'm not even sure. I think it comes from a winery down in southern Illinois somewhere. I think it's called Black and Blue. But it's like one of my favorites. And I obviously don't get it all the time, but my parents went down on a winery tour down there and brought it back, and oh my gosh, it was so good. They liked it so much, they bought like a case of it, and of course, being I'm like the best kid ever, they gave me a bottle. I love like a little sweet red. Okay, she leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. I'm just being extra cautious because canvases are bumpy. And so when you're putting your transfers down, you want to make sure that they're not. Hi, Jennifer. So the last thing here's my plan. This is going to be Wildberry. The word sparkle is going to be buttercream. The rest is going to be Wildberry. I keep wanting to call it raspberry, but it's definitely Wildberry. And this is the last thing I'm going to do because I want it to stay wet so I can put my special magic glitter on it. It's not regular glitter. It's like super special magic. So I'm going to do this as fast as I can for fear of anything going wrong on Facebook Live. Okay, so I'm just going to get going with my Wildberry that looks like raspberry. And it's going fairly well. I'm going to try to leave it thick so that it doesn't really dry out. I could also put I could put something wet up there too, but I'm not going to do that. Well, I could. I might do that. I don't have paper towels with me, but I have a Clorox wipe, which is wet enough. So let's just do that. Just a little precautionary. Okay. Now we're going to do the rest. So you can just dip and go. Dip and go. That's for D. I'm going to dip and go because these fit so perfectly in our little containers now. I love, love, love it. All right, now I'm gonna put the extra in there, set that down, and I'm actually going to use my multi-purpose tool to get in here. You have a lot of control. It's like holding a pen. Get in here and get all these little intricate pieces chalked. It's a nice small tool to kind of get in there in between all the other stuff. And I do want this to be, I got a little, there we go. Just there's a little blend up there. I'm just going to wipe it off on my thing and smooth it out. Now we need to keep it wet for our glitter. Okay. There we go. We're going to peel and reveal. That looks fabulous. I peeled that the wrong way. Don't ever do that from one corner. You're not supposed to. It could wreck it, but I knew it wasn't super stuck. And then, very carefully, what I'm going to do is take my super special, very special glitter. I cannot tell you how special it is, but it's magical glitter. There's a reason why it's magical. This stuff for 14 years. Oh no! Well, I'm trying not to get it on any of the Wildberry. I have been addicted to this stuff. And I don't know where you can buy it anymore. This has lasted me a very long time. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going back and I'm tapping it into the chalk. Tap, 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 tap. That's all I'm doing. Tap it into the chalk, only on the yellow. If a little bit gets on the Wildberry, then a little bit gets on the Wildberry, and it's totally fine. But I'm not going to. Hi, Marshawn. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Nancy. I'm definitely not going to worry about it. So here we go. Tap, tappity, tap, 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 tap. And I'm going to set this aside for now. And then I'm going to show you my little technique You take a sheet of paper and you fold it in half. And you tap this on the paper. And you knock it down. And then the sparkle is only where you want it to be. It is not stuck anywhere else. Can you guys see this? You see how awesome it is? And don't these colors look really good together? It's wild berry and buttermilk. I'm like super stoked about this. I mean, I've been using glitter for a long time, but I just love these colors and I love it on the canvas. It really does not stick to the canvas. Like it will stick to other boards because they're a little bit, staticky maybe, but it is not sticking to this and I love it. So now I need to make some of these with the personalized. Take off the she, don't use it, and put the name there. In like maybe our little chalk font letters would be cute, or some of our new scripty brush stroke letters. Oh, I can't wait to get those. That's gonna be super awesome. And then what I do is I take my leftover glitter and I pour it back into the container. Just whatever's left, and there's quite a bit. And I'm gonna throw this away and I'm gonna clean up right away because I don't want any glitter in my chalk. I don't want any glitter left on my mat because I don't want it to get onto any transfers that I'm using. I'll come around and dry this off. And these will get cleaned up. So there you have it. Very simple, easy, but fun and pretty. And then you can take this technique and run with it. You can use it anywhere, anyhow. And again, like I started out this conversation talking about my rewards club group where you are rewarded for your monthly purchases, and basically you get rewards membership pricing, and of course all of that is only available in my rewards club group. If you're interested in finding out more about my rewards club and you are a customer, just send me a message. If you are one of the designers on my team, it's already in our group. Just search for Chalk Rewards Club. So there you have it. Yeah, super fun. I'm gonna come back on after I get my boxes over to a nice place where I can open them up and show everybody my new stuff. So thanks for watching my little project tonight, and we'll be back soon. Bye-bye.